Hello and welcome to the weekly wrap-up on FourCornersTV.com. I'm Laura Schweizer, and in this week's news, consider yourself warned. The flu shot everyone is pushing to get is found to be no shield. Apparently, the vaccine this year will not protect you from the dominant strain of flu caught by many in the country. It may provide some protection, but it's best to take your own precautions. Number 1, remember to wash those hands, especially when traveling, because around the holidays, airports can be nasty, especially the parking situation at the La Plata County Airport. Although improvements are on the way, they've come up with 3 different options to fix the overflow. Since all parking lots were maxed out around Thanksgiving, that's a good sign. But until construction culminates, you've been warned. Get there early to stake out your spot. We've seen the damaging effects, but now steps are being taken towards natural resource protection. A proposal was put together to provide framework for Colorado's water plan. The plan outlines $20 billion worth of infrastructure projects through 2050. Have no fear, Colorado's core water values were upheld within the draft plan. Plans to control those bark beetles are in the works as well. Because of dry and windy spring weather, Wolf Creek Pass has been eaten alive. Bark beetles have torn apart 183,000 acres in the San Juan National Forest, and they're continuing to wreak havoc across the landscape. The U.S. Forest Service will hold meetings in February or March to discuss how to beat these beetles. Now here's a warning, don't try this at home. Professional wakeboarder George Gill decided to take the sport to a whole new level by replacing a boat with a Ferrari. With only one wipeout, he unexpectedly came out unscathed, although police in England are currently investigating the stunt for possible traffic violations. The dogs have been unleashed, and you've been forewarned. The 12 Dog Days of Christmas has commenced. Senior dogs from the La Plata County Humane Society are hitting up local businesses looking for a home. So if you're a sucker like me, these paws might just be the present you're looking for under the tree. Thanks for watching the weekly wrap-up. I'm Laura Schweizer, and I'll see you tomorrow.